Okay, let's put the golf clubs in. So we have 2 irons. I'll put it right about there. Put my other one in. We have it way back here. I'm just kind of resting on the board there. And then the club, stick out about there. This lighter round. Sometimes the clubs have the coverings over them. So if you just take any color fondant and then roll it a little bit more into a elongated kind of shape and just pop it over the stick. And then we'll take a piece of the dark roll it into a ball, pop it on top like that. Remember how we did the cap there to make the little fluffy type thing? Just cut all around this. Okay, and then this can go in. A lot of times they have a little towel attached. So what we do is we'll take the lighter color here, okay, and I'm going to cut it. I want it to be long. Cut that off there. Take the lighter brown again. Roll this out. We just need 2 little strips out of this. Remember what we did earlier? So we put a little bit of water back here. And we'll put it actually up about there. And we can roll that back and forth a little bit. Cut that off again. Now at the base here, you can either use scissors. I just use the pizza cutter and go one in more, one shorter, one deeper, one shorter. Okay, so that's the fringe on the towel. Okay, so pick this up, turn this. If this is the front of the cake, you need to be able to see it, the front of the cake. And I usually will put it up here and kind of tuck it inside there. That way if there's anything inside that you don't want, if there's a bigger hole or anything in there that you want seen, you can just kind of tuck that in. Okay, and then the other thing for the towel is to take the brown, again the darker brown. And what a good idea is, if you wanted to write happy birthday, you could write it on the towel. We're going to go ahead and do his initials. Actually, there's not a lot of room. I think we're just going to do the one, K for Kyle. Little water on the back. Okay.